And so one of the most cost-effective and, accessible options is to actually make your own filter or air purifier. And so this is a design that has been used and optimized by a lot of different engineers named after Dr. Richard Corsi and Jim Rosenthal, who are two fantastic ventilation filtration specialists. And so it actually takes those MERV 13 filters that you can put into your furnace, and you use those furnace filters and you make a cube. You can take four, and then you take a 20-inch box fan and tape it all together. And then you put kind of a circle shroud on the top to optimize the flow. Duct tape it all together as is shown here. And it actually works very, very well as a filter. And so it's doing the same job that you might have your furnace filter do if you have that MERV 13 or Filtrete 1900 filter in your furnace. It's pulling air through, and then the air that comes through the filter is then cleaned of particles. And this kind of does the same thing in lieu of that. And also, usually you can put it closer to the source of infection.